इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य व्यक्तियों को मेरा सादर myself Shivani Priyadarsini Mallik, reading class 10, the student of Rising Prasad Government High School, Chandiya, Dhenkanal. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti 2024. This year we celebrate 133th Ambedkar Jayanti all over India. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a great social reformer, jurist, economist, politician and philosopher. He is one of the greatest leaders in Indian history. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was popularly known as Baba Saheb. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahur, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Malaji Sakpal and his mother's name was Bhimbai. He spent his entire life fighting social discrimination against lower caste. He belonged to Mahur caste, one of the untouchable and Dalit caste of India. He achieved doctorate degree in political science, economics and law. He is considered as the chief architect of the Constitution of India. He was appointed as a member of Constitution Drafting Committee. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the first law minister of India. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution because he wrote the new Indian Constitution. He has various qualities like efficiency, leadership, honest, non-violent attitude, long visionary attitude and etc. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar aims justice, liberty, equality to all citizens and promote fraternity, maintain unity and integrity all of the nation. Okay, then life should be great rather than law. He supports women economy and social life. He says, मैं समाज की प्रगति इस बात से देखती हूँ कि समाज की महिलाएं कितनी प्रगति कर रही हैं. Baba Saheb preferred Buddhism was it gives three principles: pragya, karuna, और समता. Baba Saheb was a great personality and having an inspirational life from his childhood onwards. He was appointed as a member of Rajya Sabha in 1952, remained till death on 6 December 1956. He won the Bharat Ratna Award in 1990, India's highest civilian award. His autobiography, Waiting for a Visa, used as a book in Columbia University. इंसान को गुलाम बनाकर हजारों बादशाह बने हैं, इंसान को गुलाम बनाकर हजारों बादशाह बने हैं, लेकिन जो गुलाम को इंसान बनाए वो ही मेरे बाबा साहेब हैं. लेकिन जो गुलाम को इंसान बनाए वो ही मेरे बाबा साहेब हैं. एंड माय स्पीच, जय भीम, जय भारत.